Okay. विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयाद याति पात्रताम पात्रत्वात् धर्माप्नोति धनात् धर्म तत् सुखम. Through learning we get humility, and through humility we get eligibility. By eligibility we get wealth, and wealth gets religion, and the religion gets happiness. A very warm and charismatic morning to all one and all present here, online and offline board. Friends, my name is Dr. Alok. Enthusiastically welcome to all beloved participants who are registered in the online AICTE Mrsptu Faculty Development Program on Reshaping Pharmaceutical Education and Research for Next Generation Prospect and Challenges. On the behalf of ISFCP family and as a coordinator of AICTE MRS FDP, it is my great pleasure to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Butta Singh Ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor MRS PTU, and Chief Guest Colonel B. Venkat, Director AICTP FDP Cell, New Delhi, in the inauguration ceremony of online AICTE MRS PTU Faculty Development Program. I also warmly welcome all of our distinguished guest dignitaries, academic dignitaries, all industry luminaries, and participants from Pan India. I also extending my warm welcome to Shri Praveen Garji, Chairman ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Engineer Janish Garji, Secretary ISFCP, Moga, and Chairman TLF, our Global School, Moga. Dr. G.D. Gupta Ji, Director cum Principal, ISFCP College of Pharmacy, Professor Dr. R.K. Narang Ji, Vice Principal and Controller of Examination, ISFCP, Moga. I heartily welcome respected all the HODs, Dr. Sunil Gupta Ji and Dr. Vineet, Head, Department of Pharmaceutics, Dr. Charan, Department of Quality Assurance, Head, Dr. Pooja Chawla, Head, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Pharmaceutical Analysis, Dr. Shamsher Singh, Head, Department of Pharmacology, Dr. Prateek, Head, Department of Regulatory Affairs, and Dr. Saurabh Kose, Head, Departments of Pharmacy Practice. With immense respect and honor, I request all dignitaries kindly inaugurate the function by lighting the lamp. So I request all the guests, dignitaries, Dr. Gupta sir, Dr. Narang sir, Engineer Janish Garchi, and faculty members, please enlighten the lamp. Thank you all respected guests, Director Sir, Dr. Narang Sir, and Engineer Janesh Gargji, along with the faculty members for lighting the lamp. Dear friends, the object of education is to prepare the young to educate themselves throughout their lives. Let us now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and his knowledge and also his dynamic personality. Now I invite Professor Dr. G.D. Gupta, Director and Principal, ISFCP College of Pharmacy, on the dais for his welcome address, and I request him to give a brief introduction about online AICTE MRSPTU Faculty Development Program on reshaping pharmaceutical education and research for next generation prospects and challenges. Welcome, sir.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखना सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Good morning everyone, respected and honorable chief guest. Today's function, Dr. Bhuta Singh ji, Vice Chancellor, MRSPTU, Vatinda, honorable guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkat, Director AICT, preside over the function, our worthy chairman, Sri Praveen Garg ji, Engineer Janesh Garg ji, President, the Learning Field, the Global School and Secretary, ISF College of Pharmacy, Professor Dr. R.K. Narang ji, Vice Principal, ISF College of Pharmacy, Vice President, SPR, Dr. Alok, Coordinator of this FTP, all these HODs, all participants, organizing committee members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, press and media. It's a great honor and privilege for me to warmly welcome today's function chief guest, guest of honor, distinguished guest from core of my heart. I also welcome all the participants registered in this AICT MRSPTU FDP program. So I also welcome all the participants in this new seminar room as well as the video conferencing room. Sir, pleased to present brief about ISF College of Pharmacy. Sir, ISF College of Pharmacy has the honor to be amongst the top private colleges of pharmacy in India with a vision to give an affordable education and international standards of the education. ISFCP was established as the first private pharmacy college in Punjab by the visionary and very dynamic social service person late Sri Baldev Krishnji in 1984 and is thriving under the able now leadership of Sri Praveen Garg ji. ISF College of Pharmacy is the emerging as a leader with the vision to establish as a center of excellence in education, research, innovation, training, and entrepreneurship in pharmaceutical sciences. ISF College of Pharmacy is accredited by the NAC with A grade, while UGC also granted the autonomous status for the 10 year. College achieved rank in NRIF 2021-29 in pharmacy category in India in area in 2021 ranked excellent band and also recipient of Utkrish Sansthan Vishkarma Award by the AICTE due to our faculty member provide the excellent knowledge, lecture, training to the student during the COVID period. This institute also achieved consecutively 5th time AICTE CII Platinum category and 3 times he achieved the 3rd rank with the Platinum category. Sir, national record with the longest teaching relay marathon on pharmaceutical sciences which is recorded in India Book of Record 2021. Quality is the hallmark of our institution, and it has highly qualified and experienced and dedicated faculty member. They are producing the quality of the students, and they are spread throughout the pan India as well as abroad. During the lockdown, our faculty members and whole of the team organized so many FDP, STTPP, webinars, job fest, guest lecture, and many more other activities which are required for the multifaceted development of the students. Sir, our college have 39 laboratory with the well-maintained and the latest equipment, and we are also running in-house one of the NABL accredited ISF analytical lab, which contains cutting edge of the technology and provides quality analysis to the small scale industries with an aim to reduce the gap between the industry practice and academic offering. The institute has an industry institute partner self and regularly our faculty members doing the excellent job with the relationship with the industry, and we are also running number of the collaborative project during the COVID-19, as well as we are also running one of the cell. This is the IIC cell, innovation cell for the students and faculty member. Sir, this is the great honor to announce over here during the COVID and the year of the 2021. This is the record of the publication at a national and international journal repute with the 348 impact factor. This is the one of the great achievement of our faculty member and students. I congratulate all our research team as well as the students. Our faculty member, they are also trained with the TOT by the LSSDC, and we have running one of the Skill Vigyan Center approved and sponsored by the Punjab State Council for Technical Sciences, and we have also number of the other program which are related to the education. We have published more than 15 chapters in the international books as well as the 10 books published during this period. And recently we have did the 3 MOU with the industry for the placement of the student as well as the training. Our faculty member summited and achieved the grant from the DST, SHARP, NMPB, DBT, DST, AICT, PSCST, and so many other grants received from the other professional bodies. Sir, now I want to come over to this FDP program. So this FDP program approved and sponsored by the AICT and Mrsptu Jalandhar. In this FDP program, total we have 125 registration from Pan India, near about the 13 states and 55 colleges. Title of this FDP approved by the AICT, Reshaping Pharmaceutical Education and Research for Next Generation Prospects and Challenges. Yes, no doubt this is the one of the big challenge toward the education, not only pharmacy in all sector, but we know that pharmacy is one of the most important related to the healthcare system. That is why this education is the very, very important theoretically as well as the practically approach, because direct relation with the healthcare system, and we are also producing number of the medicine which are required for the treatment, diagnosis, as well as the research work related to the disease and their treatment. So in this FDP, our core team or organizing team connect with the so many renowned professors from the India, and in this FDP near about 25 professor and technical person, researcher, industry peoples, and some of the spirituality lecture will be delivered in the benefit of the faculty as well as the society also, so that these trained people will provide the excellent education to the students. So the faculty members or researcher or the industrious people who will deliver the lecture during the 6 days program, Dr. Ashish Srivastav, Head and Dean, Department of Education Studies, School of Education, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar, Mr. Vaibhav Jakar, Head HR Tata Advanced System, Mumbai, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, he is from the Department of the Environmental Studies, Punjab University, Chandigarh, Dr. Pradeep Kaur, he is also from Chandigarh University, Dr. Omar Ranjan Lal, Deputy Manager, Ayurved Vaddi, Dr. Omar Ranjan Lal, Deputy Manager, Ayurved Vaddi, and another person is the Sri Antesh Das Prabhu, and Dr. Shankar Paul, Manager, IPR and BD Pharma from Mumbai, Dr. Swapnil Thakur, Fire and Safety at Gym Laboratory, Nagpur. Myself is one of the speaker. If we have some of the space, then we also deliver the lecture on the stress management. Dr. Hemasu Baveja, Manager, Pharmalex Private Limited, Pharmacovigilance, Gurgaon. Dr. Om Prakash, Senior Manager R&D, Lotus Herbal Private Limited. Dr. K. Shankar, Senior Principal Scientist, CMAP, Lucknow. Dr. Mantandi Janodia, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacy Management, Manipal University, Manipal. Dr. Prabodh Chand Sharma, he is an Associate Professor, JIPSARU, New Delhi. Dr. Bipin Parihar, Assistant Professor, Naipur, Hajipur. Dr. N.P. Yadav, Scientist, CMAP, Lucknow. Pradeep Kumarji, Mr. Srivastava, former Deputy Director, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, Central Drug Research Institute. Dr. Chandrasekhar, Senior Assistant Professor in Psychology at University of Jammu. Dr. Pankaj, he is from Abbott Pharma. Dr. Manjusa Panse, Project Leader, Encrom Enterprises, Mumbai. So these are our speakers during the 6 days, and this is the excellent blend of the academia, industry, research at a national level, so they have their importance. And this functions valedictory we will conduct on the 19th at 3 p.m. So chief guest of this one, Professor Y.K. Gupta ji. Guest of honor of this FDP of the valedictory will be Mr. Valvinder Singh ji, MRSPTU, Jalandhar. So I request to the all participant, you will take 100% participation and involve in the interaction session during the presentation by the each and every expert. So my good wishes to all the participants and guests to attend all technical session and also follow the rules and regulation. So first of rules and regulation as already given in the registration form. So first thing, you can attend the minimum 80% of the session. This is the minimum requirement. And you have also appear every day in the test. So this test have the near about 5 to 10 multiple choice question direct related to the delivery given by the expert. And we have also conduct one of the complete compact of the test on the last day with the 50 multiple choice type question, and you are required to obtain at least 60%. That is why if you want to obtain and if you want to feel that you develop your some of the capability, either presentability, some of the capability in the science, research, for this purpose, you need to involve in all technical session, participate in the interactive session, and give your also contribution in the benefit of the society, because all session will be helpful to you, because we have included number of the industry peoples, those who will give you direct you can say advancement in the technology, advance in the industry, advance in the dosage form design, advancement and what is the need in the education. Surely you can include each and everything during the day-to-day theory and practical classes. So our organizing team always available for you. If you have any doubt, any clarity, any problem, you can send the message or you can also phone call, email. So all three process, our team generated one of the WhatsApp group. You can submit your queries, you can submit your any types of the question which you want to ask, or if you have some any technical problem, it will be resolved by our organizing team immediately. So I again welcome all and extend my heartfelt thanks to the chief guest, guest of honor, dignitaries, and all the participants for the registration and grace the function to attend this program. So now I again thankful to our management and also the body AICT and Mrsptu for the approval and sponsor of this FDP in the benefit of the education research as well as the benefit to the students also, because after the trend people they will contribute for the society. So thank you very much to all, and I welcome all the participants. You can involve all technical session and contribute more and more. Thank you very much. Thanks.
So I would like to thank our distinguished director, sir, for his excellence, remarkable introduction about the program. And moving forward to next. Dear friends, learning itself is so important, and learning has no time or age restriction. All that we need is a passion for lifelong learning. Learning is something that takes place daily by interacting with experienced people around us. Now we are excited to hear some words by our today's chief guest. So we kindly request respected Colonel B. Venkat, Director AICTE FDP Cell New Delhi, to continue our event by sharing some words with us. Over to Colonel sir.
Alok Sharma sir, thank you. Thanks a lot. It's so great an honor and a pleasure that I am coming on your virtual platform. Now this must be, I have forgotten the number of times that I must have come to your institute's online platform so as to be talking to you people. But every time I come to your platform and every time I come to be speaking, I always appreciate the work which is done by ISF College of Pharmacy. That is something I've always been appreciating.
Excuse me, sir, you are not audible.
Am I not audible? Is it still the same? Sakshi ma'am, very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to everybody. Am I audible or not? Just reply to this because I get a message that I was not audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Gupta sir. Very good morning. And what a pleasurable day that, you know, I think I should take my residence next to ISF College of Pharmacy. I need to purchase a plot next to your college. Then only the justification in totality will be done. But having said this, sir, let me tell you, your institute has been doing a commendable job. And that is so very well visible in the number of programs which are being done, in the manner in which these are being conducted, the number of people who connect in your program, the topics of your program, and such an exuberance which is generated in conducting these. So it's absolutely pleasure to be coming. It's absolutely an honor to be visiting your institute. I had also the honor of coming to your institute. And I don't think so anybody could have had a better experience of an academic institution than the one which I had. So in case for everybody who is listening and who is not from ISF, everybody should strive in their life to reach to the pedestal where this institution has taken themselves. This is a premier institution which has done exceedingly well in their each and every activity. And this is exactly what is desired. So the participants who are connected, please learn the best practices from today's talk. Please learn the best practices from what is happening. This training program is between AICT and Mrsptu. And quite obviously, the training program from the Technical University then comes to ISF College of Pharmacy. And what a better way to do this thing. I'm extremely thrilled and honored to be on your platform and be listening to you people and be once again in your virtual connectivity. I can only tell one thing to very, very learned people who are connected with today. Keep doing a good job. Continue in the manner in which you people have taken on this activity. Do not stop. Make people wise, make people capable, make people that much more competent that independently he or she should be in a position to execute an activity. And under Gupta sir's leadership and vision, I think, sir, everything is possible. Everything is possible. Just keep driving the way you are. Keep connecting with people the manner in which you are today, sir. And this is what is wanted in faculty members. Unfortunately, as a teaching profession, you people are seeing very serious people. A teacher is supposed to be very serious. That is the image. This is the institute where I get a very, very vibrant image. I get an image and I get a vision of faculty members, more of colleagues, more of friends. And this is where a collective and combined teaching comes to. Wonderful, sir. Compliments, congratulations to everybody. I would love to be associated in future also with your institute. Let us know what more can be done. You will always find us with you. Best wishes once again. Jai Hind.
So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So first of all, sir, I want to mention over here, sir. So this FDP, we are going to organize in a new our recording room, sir. We have established this is a small recording room recently, and we have developed here one of the online platform so that we can continuously provide the teaching learning process to the students regularly from this platform. And sir, I want to, you are very, very lucky of this college. I think this is the 6th time we are chief guest in any of these sessions. Every time I want to observe that or I am waiting something is the new. So I mention over here, sir, especially because I don't know during my lecture you are present and not. Sir, in 2021, this institute achieved 348 impact factors, sir. Published more than 250 research paper in international journal. This is the one of the big achievement of sir team of this institute. So because of this of you, sir, because every time when you are coming or we are doing something after 1 and 2 month, every 2 months we want to achieve one goal. So I request to you, sir, you can reduce this frequency and come to at a 1 month so that we can do the more and more work because we need each and every time something that new. So thank you very much, sir, for your blessing. And I know that due to your very, very busy schedule, you have always provided blessing our students and faculty member. And I also hope you in future, we can also get some of the good jobs, sir. So thank you very much and welcome you at ISF College of Pharmacy.
Thank you, sir. Best wishes to everybody.
Thank you, sir. We wholeheartedly thank you and express our gratitude for every drop in the form of the knowledge which we have shared today. We are thankful for your guidance and continuous love for ISFCP College of Pharmacy. Thank you, sir, once again. challenges at us. There may be hurdles to overcome. Sometimes we compare ourselves with others who perform better than us. But one should never get demotivated. All these obstacles should not hinder our development of a lifelong learning process. It enhances our perspective towards the world to get better opportunities, thus improving our quality of life. At last but not the least, I hope that this FDP will be helpful to all participate in the development of their professional career. I again welcome and our chief guest and all dignitaries for accepting our invitation and providing your precious time and blessings. My good wishes to all participants and hope that you will enjoy this FDP to every bit and contribute your knowledge and skills in the development of your respective profession. Thank you all. Now the participant will get the link in the WhatsApp group for the technical session. All the best and having a learning FDP 6 days. Thank you. Thank you very much.
आलोक जी हेलो।
The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of a true education. Now I invite Professor Dr. Bhutta Singh ji Honorable Vice Chancellor MRSPTU. It is our great honor to have you with us today. We know you are a sculpture of humanity. So far, please enlighten us from your golden words. So I would like to request Professor Butta Singh ji, Chief Guest, please enlighten us from your words, sir.
Thank
Please,
you,
sir.
Dr. Alok Sharma. First of all, I think you are speaking on some topic or hello.
सर ये और ब्लेसिंग चाहिए सर, ब्लेसिंग सर.
नहीं, मैं just उधर ही तो मैं appreciate करता हूँ. I think he is giving some talk, not remain much in between you. I really appreciate because this institute ISF Moga is I can say because I visiting the institute from last so many years. This is one of the renowned institution also, as well as I know you organize all the program in very much quality, because this program, this faculty development program is also to be organized in the same way, because being a premier institution, you are playing your role for the training of faculty, because I have visited with some of the faculty development program director from AICT also some time back in physical mode for some of your function at that time also. So I'm sure that this program, this is a ISTE and AICT sponsored, or this program?
Sir, FDP, Faculty Development Program.
Yes, this is
AICT,
Sir,
MRSPTU,
AICT and
Faculty Development Program.
AICT IST program, because I'm just asking you because
MRSPTU sir, MRSPTU.
this is MRSPTU.
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay, Joe.
Yes, sir.
MRSPTU, because there are two types of programs now. Those are running in all the institutions. One is because this MRSPTU is having a MOU with All India Council of Technical Education. They gave us around 10 or 12 such programs that will ask to the our renowned institutions to organize that on behalf of MRSPTU. Second is the many of the faculty development, because to sponsor such number of faculty development programs, they are working on the curriculum revision also. Such programs, because now are much important on behalf of, because when we organize these faculty development program, we must have to talk about, might have to discuss at least one section on new education policy also, because when we are switching over to a new education policy, and I hope that you might have arranged at least one session on that. If not arranged, then kindly arrange that topic also, so that the faculty member must be aware about that new education policy. They might have to give their feedback at the moment, but otherwise when it is implemented, then there is no scope for any of the change, any of the operation to the policy. It is the time when we can comment upon that. So along with this, when we are organizing a number of such programs, we have to keep it in mind that also, so that we will make certain critical discussions on that particular topic, on new education policy also, because as per the status of ISF, I also hope that you might be able to organize at least one day workshop on new education policy by inviting many of the experts and faculty from the other institutions, if that is possible. That also needs to be arranged, because ISF has already taken many of the new initiatives online, some of the like this online programs also, some short duration courses also you are already running. We need to update our faculty accordingly. But I'm sure that this 1 week faculty development program at least equip the faculty about the latest technologies in that field, so that the teachers will be equipped with that and they are better enabled to guide their students, to disseminate knowledge to the students with some more, I can say, more effectively. So such type of things I'm sure are going to be happen through this faculty development program. Otherwise, also one of the scientists, Henry Ford, has also said that it is not your age. When you continuously learning, whether you are 20 or you are 80, your minds will remain always young, because to keep your mind young, continuous learning is must, and these type of faculty development program will provide that type of learning. So I really appreciate, rather it is a privilege for me to be invited to inaugurate this program, as well as appreciate the institute, the organizing team to organize this faculty development program, especially on behalf of MRSPTU, and wish that this 5-day, the 1-week program will be of a great success, and all the participants going to learn many of the new techniques in these 5 days. So thank you all for inviting me also.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Just I want to only take, sir, 2 minutes, sir. Sir, recently this institute achieved one of the very, very important school from the IBRO, International Brain Research Organization, and they have sanctioned, sir, 14 lakhs for the 5 days school. So this is the first private institute achieve this types of the workshop school program from the IBRO, sir. Second thing, sir, in 2020-21, sir, our faculty member and research team published, sir, total 225 papers with the impact factor of 348. So this is the record publication with the impact factor by our research team, sir. So this is because of your, sir, blessing, and I am thankful to the MRSPTU for providing this opportunity. And in the future, if you need any types of the, sir, assistance from my side, I am always available for the university. Sir, you have given suggestions. It was very, very excellent, sir. So during the 6 days, we have going to organize 22 lecture by the renowned professor, 8 from the academia, including the NIPER and Central University, 10 from the industry, 1 lecture from the National Education Policy, 1 lecture related to the spirituality, 1 lecture this is related to the stress management, and 1 lecture for the, sir, safety and precaution required in the laboratory, and 1 is the documentation process, sir. So this types of the things we have the organized going in the 6 days, total, sir, 22 lectures, sir. So if you give the one suggestion, this is the excellent suggestion. We can separately organize one of the full day of the workshop related to the national education policies.
So thank you. I think these things are very small relative to the status of your institute. We are expecting much more than that. But otherwise, really congratulate you all for your hard working and all that. And second is, as you said, always available. I am always available, rather requesting you for permanently transferring to the MRSPTU.
Thank you, sir. Your
We are always ready to accept you in any of the kind. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We express our heartfelt thanks to you for your rousing and encouraging words. And dear
I also
participants,
welcome
now,
Professor Ashish Srivastav ji. Okay, yes, continue, Alok ji.
sir. So now the participant will get the link in the WhatsApp group for the technical session, and the time will start. The session will start at 11:15 sharp.